Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video, and good morning, people. We got a giveaway going on, and the giveaway is going to be by Broda, so make sure you comment in the comment section down below for an opportunity to win this awesome watch face. Hey, what's up? Welcome back for another video. And if you're into Huck's World, yes, we got an awesome watch face for you all to check out by Broda. You know, Broda is putting out watch faces like he's putting out candy. And I'm telling you, this guy really does a great job on designing watch faces. Now, this one I'm loving. I love the look. I like the boldness of this watch face. And I definitely love the design. 8 thumbs up in the door for this one. Now, the name of the watch face is called Broda Eldridge, right? It's a nice design, very casual design, but it has an elegant look to it as well. Now, even in the AOD mode, it's going to look super awesome. It's going to be blacked out for the Gears 3. And for the Gears 2, it's going to look nice. You're going to be able to see your digital time and your analog time with no problem. And once the watch face is on, the very thing that stands out to me is going to be the numbers that's going around the bezel of the watch. I like the design and how it's encased. It looks awesome. It really brings out the numbers of the watch face. Now, if you come down, you will get a moon phase. To the right, you are going to be able to get your date, and to the left you're going to be able to get your month as well. Now, I like the way Saturday is going around the top of the watch face. Really stands out up over the digital time, and the digital time looks nice as well to go along with the analog hands. And these are going to be your hands. They're quite small but very stylish and very nice. Now, I'm loving the meters on both sides. You're going to get, of course, your battery meter over here and your step go completed meter over there, and down at the bottom you will be able to get your heart rate. And I haven't been anywhere yet because today is Sunday. I am off this Sunday, and yes, I love that you got your steps. So you got everything you can ever need or want in this watch face. So the overall design is nice, but we're not nowhere near done yet. So let's go ahead, let's check out the rest of this watch face. Now, you can set favorites, right? And I like that. So you got like 4 places in order to do so. You got one right there, just straight across the board. You can tap and it'll bring up where you can set your favorites. And of course, you can also tap on the time in the middle, and it's also going to bring it up again. So you can make this watch super convenient as much as you want. And of course, I can get my step status information down here as well as my heart rate. But what I love most about this watch face is the full customization so far as the color theme is concerned. Now, we're going to tap over here, double tap, and if you look, I can change certain parts like the meters of the watch face, the ring around the time, and I'm telling you, you can make this watch face your very own. And this has a good look to it. Now, we can stop right there because we have another one to check out down at the bottom. And as you can see, double tap, and it changes the whole theme of the watch face, and I'm loving this one. And then if I tap over here, and this is the night mode. Now, this night mode looks beautiful, and over here, you can change the theme a little bit more. So depending on what you're looking for out of this watch face, you can set it to your liking. All right, you all, that's gonna be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Hit the like button on the way out. Help the channel out, and subscribe to the channel so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, that's gonna be it. I'm gonna see you all at the next video. Take care, enjoy the rest of your Funday Sunday, and I'll see you all again at the next one. Take care.